In this video tutorial, we are gonna show you how to make a ceiling fan animation in PowerPoint like this. So let's begin the topic. Let me go to new slide, insert a blank slide, and let me go to design, go to format background, go to solid fill and select a background color from here like this. Let me zoom out. Now let me go to view. Let me check on ruler, grid line and guides. And let me go to insert, go to shape, click on oval shape, holding the shift key, drag it over here like this and place it here. Let me go to shape fill, choose this fill, go to shape outline, make it no outline. Again go to insert, go to shape, pick a oval shape from here. By holding the shift key, drag it over here like this. Press Ctrl A to select both of the shape. Go to align, align center, align middle. Then click on this shape. Go to shape outline, make it no outline. Go to shape fill, change this fill. Now again go to insert, go to shapes, pick the basic shapes, the trapezoid shape. Now drag it over here like this and rotate it and place it like this. Now resize it and place it like this. Go to shape outline, make it no outline and again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it here and make it smaller. Now resize it and place it like this. Click on right button, go to send to back. Click this shape, press Ctrl Z to group them together and again press bring to back. Let me go to insert, go to shape, pick a oval shape and drag it over here like this, a very small oval shape and the shape fill, white fill. Let me zoom my slide and go to shape outline, make it no outline, place it like this and press Ctrl D to duplicate, place like this, press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Let me zoom out, then select this shape and this shape, this shape and this shape and press Ctrl Z to group them together. Click on right button, send to back. Now click on this shape, go to shape format, shape fill, change the fill color from here. Again click this shape, go to shape fill and change the fill color from here. Now press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this and rotate it like this and place it over here and click on send to back. Now place it rightly, then click on this shape and press Ctrl G to group them together. Then press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Again press Ctrl D to duplicate and place it like this. Now select this shape, go to shape format, go to rotate, go to more rotation option and change the rotation to 60 degree and click on this shape, change it to rotation 120 degree. Now place this shape like this and place this shape like this and click on right button, send to back, click on right button, send to back. Now let me click on this shape, click on right button, group, go to ungroup. Click on this shape, click on group, ungroup. Click on this shape, go to group, ungroup. Let me select this shape and this shape and go to shape fill, make it no fill. Now press Ctrl A to select all and press Ctrl G to group them together. Now I have to add some animations. Let me go to animations, go to add animations, go to spin and go to animation pen, click on right button, go to timing, repeat until the slide in, go to OK. Then again go to view, uncheck this ruler, grid line and guides and watch the slideshow from here. This looks good. So this is our spinning ceiling fan animation. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe.